Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're preventing your PS5 from crashing with a few simple steps. Place your PS5 on a clean, flat surface where you can easily access all sides. Make sure your PS5 is completely powered off, not just in rest mode. Unplug the power cable from the back of your PS5. Unplug the HDMI cable from your PS5 as well. Wait at least 1 full minute to allow the PS5 internal capacitors to fully drain. While waiting, gently inspect the PS5 air vents on both sides. If your PS5 vents look dusty, we're going to clean them carefully. Use a hand air blower or canned air to blow dust out of the PS5 vents. Keep the PS5 upright or tilted slightly so loose dust falls outward, not deeper inside. Blow air through the top PS5 vent in slow, controlled bursts. Blow air through the bottom PS5 vent in the same careful way. Do not use a vacuum directly on the PS5 vents to avoid static discharge. Now wipe the outside of your PS5 with a clean microfiber cloth. Gently clean around the PS5 USB ports and power button area. Reconnect the HDMI cable back into your PS5 firmly. Make sure the HDMI cable clicks into your PS5 port with no looseness. Plug the other end of the HDMI cable into your TV securely. Now reconnect the power cable to the back of your PS5. Press the power button on your PS5 once and wait for the system to start. If your PS5 starts normally, watch for any unusual fan noise or performance issues. Now we're going to check PS5 system storage health. On your PS5 controller, press the PlayStation button. Navigate to settings on your PS5 home screen. Scroll to storage inside the PS5 settings menu. Check if your PS5 storage is almost full. If your PS5 storage is above 90%, this can cause crashing. Go to Games and Apps on your PS5 storage page. Delete any PS5 games or apps you are not currently using. Avoid leaving your PS5 with less than 20 GB free space. Now return to settings on your PS5 screen. Scroll to System and select System Software. Choose System Software Update and Settings on your PS5. Select Update System Software to check for any pending PS5 updates. If an update is available, install it and let your PS5 restart. Now we'll rebuild the PS5 database, which helps prevent crashes. Power off your PS5 completely again. Wait until your PS5 light turns off fully before continuing. Press and hold the power button on your PS5 for about 7 seconds. Release when you hear the second beep to enter PS5 safe mode. Connect your PS5 controller using a USB cable to the console. On the PS5 safe mode menu, select option 5, Rebuild Database. Confirm and let the PS5 complete the rebuild process. This process reorganizes game files and system data on your PS5. Once finished, your PS5 will restart automatically. After your PS5 restarts, return to the home screen. Open one of your usual PS5 games to test performance. Play for a few minutes and observe if the PS5 remains stable. If your PS5 is still crashing, we will check temperature conditions. Make sure your PS5 is not in a closed cabinet or near walls. Leave at least 6 inches of open space around each PS5 vent. Avoid placing your PS5 near windows, radiators, or heaters. Ensure your PS5 is positioned vertically or horizontally with firm balance. If airflow improves, PS5 thermal performance also improves. Return to settings and open power saving on your PS5. Disable rest mode features that keep your PS5 running in the background. This prevents your PS5 from overheating when not in use. Restart your PS5 once more for all settings to settle. Your PS5 should now run smoother, cooler, and crash-free. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Like and subscribe for more PS5 repair tips.